In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A35 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by launching one of your apps that you wish to use in this view and accessing it in the background. Now click on the icon of it at the top and select Open in pop-up view. As you can see, now I can use this app in a little window. To move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. To resize it, hold one of its bottom corners, scale it, and when you find the perfect size, let go. If you want to use more pop-up view options, you can click on this line at the top and use all of those. For example, by clicking on those two arrows pointing at each other, you can turn it into a bubble. Then click on it to open your window again. You can also turn it into a bubble by clicking on Home button. To close your window, click on the line at the top and use this X. Turn it into a bubble and drag your bubble to remove area at the bottom, or simply close your app in the background. You can also open multiple apps and then open all of them in pop-up view. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!